Looking for a mini laptop in 2025? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mini laptops that deliver powerful performance in a compact size. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone always on the go, these laptops might just be the perfect fit for you. So, let's get started. Number 5. RUGLINE Mini Laptop. The RUGLINE Portable Mini Laptop is a compact yet powerful device designed for ultimate portability and functionality. Featuring a CNC-carved aluminum body made from 6000 series aviation-grade aluminum, it's incredibly lightweight at just 0.65 kilograms and measures only 18.5 centimeters by 14.1 centimeters. This makes it the perfect choice for those who need power on the go without sacrificing durability. It boasts a 7-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, offering sharp visuals and smooth interaction. The 10-point touchscreen and 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity provide exceptional versatility, whether you're taking notes, sketching, or navigating through your work. Plus, the laptop supports original handwritten notes, making it ideal for jotting down ideas or making quick annotations. For video calls, the 2 million pixel front camera ensures sharp, detailed footage. Under the hood, the Intel Celeron N4000 processor, with clock speeds ranging from 2.0 GHz to 2.7 GHz, provides smooth performance for everyday tasks. Paired with 8 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, multitasking is effortless. The laptop offers a range of storage options, from 128 GB to 2 TB of M.2 solid-state drive. This ensures fast access to your files and rapid application loading times. With dual-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 4.2, connectivity is fast and reliable, while the advanced cooling system keeps things running smoothly even during intensive use. To top it off, the full-size keyboard and integrated mouse enhance your typing and navigation experience, making the RUGLINE Mini Laptop the perfect portable companion. Number 4. Crelander P8 Mini Laptop. The Crelander P8 Mini Laptop is an 8-inch powerhouse that combines versatility and performance with its innovative 360-degree rotating hinge. This hinge allows you to easily switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it perfect for both productivity and casual use. Powered by the Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, the P8 features 4 cores and 4 threads, with a maximum frequency of 3.4 GHz. This processor offers smooth performance, even outpacing desktop processors like the Intel Core i7-8700K in some tasks. Weighing just 0.78 kilograms, the P8 is lightweight and portable, ideal for travelers. The 8-inch full high-definition IPS touchscreen has a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels and a brightness of 300 nits, ensuring clear and vibrant visuals from any angle, thanks to the wide 178-degree viewing angle. It also supports a 1024-level pressure-sensitive stylus, perfect for drawing, note-taking, and document signing. The 10-point multi-touch functionality makes it incredibly responsive for various tasks. Built with a sleek all-aluminum alloy unibody, the P8 is both durable and stylish. The full-size QWERTY keyboard with a chiclet design offers comfortable typing, while the 2-megapixel front camera ensures clear video calls with its wide field of view. Running on Windows 11, the P8 brings the latest features, including the new user interface and Android application support. With Wi-Fi 6, fast charging, and up to 6 hours of battery life, the Crelander P8 Mini Laptop is a compact, high-performance device that fits into any lifestyle. Number 3. Intel N95 Gaming Mini Laptop. The Intel N95 Gaming Mini Laptop stands out with its 2-in-1 design, featuring a 360-degree flip hinge that allows you to effortlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes. Whether you're working, streaming, or sketching, this device adapts to your needs with just a simple flip. The 10.95-inch IPS touchscreen display offers a resolution of 2000 by 12 pixels, providing an immersive visual experience with sharp clarity and vibrant colors. The multi-touch functionality ensures smooth and intuitive navigation, making it easy to interact with your content. Powered by the Intel N95 processor, this device delivers exceptional performance with 4 cores and 4 threads, reaching speeds up to 3.40 GHz. With 6 MB of cache and support for DDR5 memory, the laptop can handle multiple tasks efficiently. Combined with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is seamless and fast. For storage, the Intel N95 mini laptop offers options of 512 GB or 1 TB of NVMe solid-state drive, providing lightning-fast access to your files and applications. Whether you're gaming, editing, or managing large projects, this laptop ensures you have enough space and speed to handle it all. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Professional, it brings a user-friendly interface, advanced security features, and integrated Office 365 for productivity. Additionally, the waterproof keyboard can withstand up to 330 milliliters of liquid splashes, making it a durable choice for various environments. The Intel N95 gaming mini laptop is designed for performance, versatility, and reliability. Number 2. GPD Win Max 2. The GPD Win Max 2 is a powerhouse in a compact handheld form, equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor that features 8 cores and 16 threads, with a peak frequency of up to 5.1 GHz. This ensures exceptional speed and efficiency, while the AMD Radeon 780M graphics processing unit, capable of reaching 2700 MHz, delivers desktop-class performance for both gaming and work. The device features a 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 12 pixels, supporting up to 2560 by 16 resolution. With a pixel density of 299 pixels per inch and a 16:10 aspect ratio, the visuals are crisp and immersive, whether you're gaming or working. Connectivity is versatile with one USB 4 port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, an OcuLink port for external graphics processing unit expansion, HDMI, and micro SD card readers. This makes the device perfect for both professional and gaming use. The GPD Win Max 2 is equipped with 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 7,500 MB transfers per second and a 2 TB M.2 NVMe solid-state drive for lightning-fast load times and ample storage. The device also boasts a QWERTY keyboard with a 2-level backlight, a precision touchpad, and dedicated gaming controls. With a 67 watt-hour battery, the device provides up to 14 hours of light use. For gaming, it runs titles like Elden Ring at 75 frames per second and Valorant at 126 frames per second with ease. Plus, the exclusive OcuLink port allows for external graphics processing unit expansion, elevating the device's performance even further. Number 1. GPD Win 4. The GPD Win 4 is a high-performance handheld device packed with power. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor, it features 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base frequency of 3.3 GHz and a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.1 GHz. This ensures smooth performance for any game or application. The AMD Radeon 780M graphics card, featuring 12 graphics cores and a frequency of 2700 MHz, enhances the gaming and graphics experience even further. The GPD Win 4 boasts a 6-inch high-definition IPS touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a 16:9 aspect ratio. With a pixel density of 368 pixels per inch, and protected by Corning's 5th-generation Gorilla Glass, the display ensures crisp visuals with no graininess, thanks to DC dimming technology. When it comes to connectivity, the GPD Win 4 supports dual-band Wi-Fi with IEEE 802.11a, B, G, and AC AX standards, allowing for a maximum transmission rate of up to 2002 megabits per second. It also includes Bluetooth 5.2 and offers an optional 4G LTE module, supporting 4G, 3G, and 2G network types via nano SIM cards. Powered by a 45.62 watt-hour battery, the device offers flexibility with battery life ranging from 2 hours under heavy use to up to 10 hours with light use. The GPD Win 4 also features an easy system recovery process for quick fixes, ensuring you stay productive and entertained on the go. There you have it! The best mini laptops to consider in 2025. Whether you're after portability, power, or both, there's a model that fits your needs. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech reviews.